Hey. 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 Hey.
Hey. Foreigners.
Yeah. I've had enough. I've told these people that I've had enough. If they wanna stop me and lock me up, then I might just turn up the speakers, cause we know that you don't like the foreigners. We know that you don't like the foreigners. We know that you don't like the foreigners. We know that you don't like the Trump. You know that my hair is on Donald Trump. My swag is on Donald Duck. You know that I don't wanna argue, but you know that my people have had enough. We know that you don't like the foreigners. 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 Hey!
Man, I got a dream,
Hey.
and I got a team, and if any boy want test, rage against the machine. I try to keep my nose clean,
Yeah.
still getting stopped by the police.
Why is that?
It's not that I don't like them, but it seems that they don't like me. We know that you don't like the foreigners. It's never been a secret. Look at how they treat us.
We know that you don't like the commoners.
In our own home, still feeling like a victim.
I see the
danger that follows
follows
us. You man, the haters, it's
obvious.
obvious. I've been awake, man, I'm on it, trust. You know my people have had enough. It's time for action. Separate yourself from the actors. Learn your craft sideways and backwards. You set the scene, then you set your own standards. That's how you show you're a bad man. Let it be known. I ain't got the answers, I just know about the road. Born in the system, you know how it goes. Back about the warning for the postcode. Born in the system, that's just how it goes.
I've had enough. I've told these people that I've had enough. If they wanna stop me and lock me up, then I might just turn up the speakers, cause we know that you don't like the foreigners. We know that you don't like the foreigners. We know that you don't like the foreigners. We know that you don't like the Trump. You know that my hair is on Donald Trump. My swag is on Donald Duck. You know that I don't wanna argue, but you know that my people have had enough. We know that you don't like the foreigners. We know that you don't like the foreigners. We know that you don't like the foreigners. We know that you don't like the foreigners.
We know that you don't like the foreigner.
Hey.
Don't make me feel small like a borrower.
Hey.
I call out my cousin from Larnaca.
Hey.
Cause I know my history.
Barnabas.
A little 1-2 skank in a bus stop. I'm blessed that I ain't ducking from a mug shot. And I'm a worst, I was shot from a one stop. Passport looking like a mug shot. When I was a youth, I got a kick like Jackie.
Hey.
And I got a slap like Bruce.
Like Bruce.
Sometimes when I wanna get angry, but I hold down the vibe with truth. And back then I got a kick like Jackie.
Yeah.
Then I got a slap like Bruce.
Like Bruce.
Sometimes when I wanna get angry,
But I hold down the vibration like a didgeridoo.
and that's how I know you're a bad man, youth. Wars when I've had mine, now I'm on the move. Knowing the truth, I've had time in my room with a couple of books that I choose. Who knew? The past repeats itself, you ain't gonna be a guru. If you wanna stop me and lock me up,
Hey.
then you better know what the heck is up.
Hey.
Cause you'll get a slap like a hockey puck.
Yeah.
Don't be a mug like a coffee cup.
Yeah.
I know I'm out here and I'm on the block, but I'll fight for the cause, I will never stop. If I have one wish in the universe,
Yeah.
I take every gun, every single Glock.
Yeah.
Till then I'm with Sonny,
One
that's
more
double
time.
one. And I'll do it for fun till I take my shot.
I've had enough. I told these people that I've had enough. If they wanna stop me and lock me up, then I might just turn up the speakers, cause we know that you don't like the foreigners. 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 I got foreign bitches that do foreign stuff. My niggas pull up in a foreign truck. They pull up in a. If you do a sentence, it's Mickey Mouse. That's why all my swag is on Donald Duck. That's why all my people have had enough. So you wanna stop me and lock me up, but you came to lose like a Hillary. Hillary. These fuckboys, they wanna get rid of me. These fuckboys, they wanna get rid of me. Your missus, she ruled like she's Billy G. You told me the kid was a mini-me. With corruption, you are the epitome. With corruption, you are the epitome. We know that you don't like the foreigners. These haters, they wanna get rid of me. These haters, they wanna get rid of me. These haters, they wanna get rid of me. They say immigration, that's you and me. The mad situations I live and breathe. We know that you don't like the foreigners, but Sonny Double had to say my piece.
One more time, make some noise for my brother, Sonny Double One.
Sonny double one. Sonny double one.
Hey, Sonny Double One. Hey,
Sonny double one.
hey.
This is
Sonny
the
double.
promotion right there. Drill it in. Don't forget it.
Sonny Bubble Gum.
Sonny bubble gum.